Bulavinaka, and again, good morning to you all this wonderful morning. And of course, it's a pleasure to be here. And always find that quite regularly now, the Honorable Ngavoka and I are doing tag teams on some of these transformative and quite groundbreaking investments. And all I can say is it all goes well for the future of our country and where we are headed in terms of trying to redesign the economy and actually ensure that in the process we get bigger economic growth, create more jobs, alleviate poverty, and allow our people to live in prosperity. The Honourable Deputy Prime Minister and Minister for Tourism, my colleague and friend, the Honourable William Ngavoka, Group Chairman of the Damodar Group, Mr. Damodar Senior, and the CEO, Div Damodar, Wyndham Hotels Resorts Development Vice President, Mr. Matt Holmes, distinguished guests. I see some very prominent people in the room today, ladies and gentlemen. It is with great pleasure that I stand here today this morning to celebrate a significant milestone in the development of Labasa. The final phase of the Damodar City Labasa project, an ambitious, transformative investment by the Damodar North Pte Limited. The Damodar City Labasa project represents 60 million in investments, underscoring a remarkable commitment to the growth and modernization of Labasa. And I have to say that in the years to come, the Damodar City investments will stand as a beacon in terms of how the North was transformed. Investment has already had a significant impact on the retail landscape of that northern region, as mentioned by Mr. Div Damodar. We now are on the cusp of the development of a state-of-the-art hotel, which marks a new era for Labasa. As we approach the final phase of this project, the completion of a modern hotel will elevate the standards of accommodation in the northern region. This new hotel, branded as the Ramada Encore by Wyndham, will be the first branded hotel in Labasa, a landmark development that reflects our growing importance, their growing importance as a destination for both businesses and leisure. With a total investment of about 6.5 million dedicated solely to the hotel phase, this project highlights Damodar's confidence in Labasa and their commitment to enhancing hospitality infrastructure in the north. The Ramada Encore by Wyndham Hotel, as mentioned by Mr. Div Damodar, will feature 40 well-appointed rooms, a conference facility capable of accommodating 80 to 100 guests, a swimming pool, and a gym. This will not only provide much-needed accommodation, but also meet the rising demand for high-quality facilities in the Northern Division. The impact of this investment, ladies and gentlemen, extends far beyond the immediate benefits of the hotel itself. The establishment of the Ramada Encore by Wyndham will create over 30 jobs, providing employment opportunities and supporting livelihoods, quite apart from the indirect employment that this will create as well. There is no doubt that there will be ripple effects to other industries such as the transportation and services sector. In addition, the hotel will also stimulate the economy, as I mentioned, through the creation of these indirect jobs. Moreover, the growing demand for accommodation in the north and the untapped tourism potential of Labasa and Manoa highlight the need for further development and investment. This hotel is a significant step towards addressing these needs and enhancing the northern region's capacity to attract and accommodate visitors. I'm also reminded, and this is very, myself and the Honorable Deputy Prime Minister and Minister for Tourism will know this, that the Ramada is somewhat like history repeating itself, the entry of Ramada to the north. And I'm reminded of how Denarau went through its own expansion when the Sofitel was actually launched in Denarau some time ago. And as a catalyst, I suspect that the Ramada will become a catalyst for major hotel developments, and particularly branded developments in the northern region. The Damodar City Labasa project fits well with the ongoing projects carried out by the government of Fiji, your government, such as support for MSMEs and cross-cutting sectors through the Northern Development Program and the Fiji Tourism Development Program known as Navoliku. These initiatives are designed to promote economic growth, improve infrastructure, and support sustainable development in the Northern Division. The People's Coalition and the government recognizes the importance of continued development and investment in Labasa and Manoa, and by fostering partnerships with private investors like with the Damodar Group and supporting projects like what the Damodar Group has done, we will work, no doubt, to ensure that the northern region continues to meet the current demands, but also is well positioned for future growth in time to come. In closing, I wish to extend my heartfelt congratulations once again to the Damodar Group of Companies, its chairman and CEO, and the directors for their visionary investment and commitment to Labasa and the North. The completion of the Ramada Encore by Wyndham represents a significant achievement and a testament to the vibrant future of the Northern region. Thank you to everyone who has contributed to making this project a reality. Finally, let us look forward to the positive changes this investment will bring, and let us all continue to work together to support and build on this momentum. May God bless us all, and may God bless Fiji.